In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a tricep pull down with a drop set, all right? This is a great high volume exercise that targets the tricep muscle. Now the first thing you need is a cable tower machine like this one, as you see. And when it comes to the handles, there's various different grips. You have like the bar, like this one, as you see, a straight bar. You have like a V grip and also a rope. Either or is totally up to you, but in this video, we're going to use the actual straight bar, all right? So when it comes to the drop set, tricep pull down exercise, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, grab onto the handle, all right? Now, when it comes to the starting weight and the whole purpose of the drop set, because it's a high volume exercise, you're going to start with the heaviest weight first. So right now, I have my weight selection at 60 pounds, all right? Now, for example, I'm going to do like 15 reps, all right? Now, once I'm done with those 15 reps at 60 pounds, immediately with no breaks, I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to 50 pounds and then go ahead and perform the exercise again, doing another 15 reps, all right? And that will be considered a drop set. So, I want to go ahead and demonstrate the exercise in real time. So like I said, you want to start off by grabbing onto the handles. Now, when it comes to your starting position, roll the shoulders back, keep a strong chest, push the butt out, a slight bend in the knees, all right? So you have a nice strong position. This is going to prevent you from jerking when performing the exercise. Now, I'm going to go ahead and perform the exercise. So as you see, I'm going all the way down, halfway up, and I'm keeping my elbows nice and tight to my body, all right? Try to prevent the elbows from being flared out. So let's say I already finished those 15 reps, all right? So I finished 15 reps. Here's the drop set. So from 60 pounds, which was the heaviest weight I started with, I'm gonna bring it up to 50 pounds with no rest or breaks, right back into my starting position, and then another 15 reps, all right? Really exhausting that tricep muscle. Now, let's say I finished the 15 reps, and that is the end of the exercise. This is how you do a tricep pull down with a drop set.